Numeracy warm-ups. Year 4.
Okay, then year 4. So slightly different, but we're going to crack on again with our mental addition. But you can see here, there's different shapes. So what you need to do is, for instance, there's 2 circles on the page. So whatever numbers are in the circles, add them together. And once you've done that, draw your own circle on your page, and then write the answer inside the shape. Make sense? So give yourself, I'd like to think you can do this in 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, okay? So pause the screen now. Add your shapes together, your matching shapes, and then we'll go through the answers. Good luck. Okay then, so going down to the answers. 2 numbers in the circle, 48. Triangle was 55. The rectangle was 147. The square was 102. And then the diamond was 115. So the next thing I want you to do now, the final part, is add up those 5 answers. In a perfect world, you do it mentally. All right. The next best thing is you might decide to add 2 numbers up. So maybe looking at your number bonds in your units, you've got 55 and 115. Okay, so if I add those together, I get 170. Yep. Then if I add the next 2, if I add these 2 up, I get something else. And then I've got my last number. And then at the end, I might do a column addition. But do as much as you can in your heads, all right? And only use the pen and paper if you need to. So pause the screen now, work out your answer. Good luck. All right, so I'll show you the way I did it. So I added these 2 numbers together first because I've got my number bonds in my units there, the 8 and the 2. So if I add those 2 numbers together, I get 150. I said if I add those 2 numbers together, I get 170. So I'm going to add that on straight away, and I'm up to 320. And then in my head, I added on 147. So my answer was 467. Really well done if you got that right. So what you need to do now is go and find lesson 25. See you in a bit.